Tina Kennedy, Head of Digital at Aareon. I joined 2 years ago. Aareon are one of the biggest providers of technology in the social housing sector. We provide both a combination of housing management solutions but also a very strong digital capability of apps and portals that kind of are windows into the housing management system. I've been talking to lots of customers, and the key thing that keeps coming out time and time again about the biggest challenges they face in social housing are data and integration. So I think there's a real need to kind of change how social housing kind of work with more integrated systems, and it's one of the biggest challenges people are facing in terms of how to integrate those silos to be able to do something with the data that sits in them. And I think that whole piece around driving insight to manage both your own business better but also provide better services to tenants is critical. But integration's at the core of that, and they find that very, very challenging. Net zero is definitely of strategic importance, and lots of customers are really talking about it. I think there's a number of factors in net zero. One is the actual legislation and the changes, obviously. But there's also the cost of living crisis and that need to kind of support tenants to make the right choices around how they're using energy. And net zero, I think, is fundamental to all of that. So we definitely see it as a trend, and looking at how we can help support our customers better. And I think for us as a software provider, what we want to do is bring together a kind of ecosystem of partners to support our customers. So whereas traditionally I think software providers have been very sort of walled gardens, through our integration platform as a service, we're opening up that garden and enabling lots of different partners to provide the right services to support our customers. We've worked with Sava for over 10 years and actually have a really strong partnership with them. What's really important to us, actually, what we've discovered at CIH, we've got more opportunity going forward to work more closely in partnership, and have spoken to Sava about joining our iPaaS proposition, which brings their proposition to our base and also just helps to provide broader services to the social housing market.